In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Robinhood margin account. Before we dive into the clicks and screens, let's clear up one important point. You don't create a separate new account for margin. Instead, you apply to enable margin investing inside your existing Robinhood account. Think of it as turning on an additional feature that lets you borrow against your portfolio for extra buying power. Before you start, make sure you meet the requirements. You need at least $2,000 in your account as a minimum balance. Your Robinhood account must be fully verified. And you'll need basic investing experience, which Robinhood assesses during the application with a few questions about your background, goals, and understanding of risks. Keep in mind, if your balance later falls below $2,000, margin access can be reduced or removed, and you could face a margin call. A margin call simply means you must add cash or sell holdings to bring your account back within required limits. Now let's walk through the desktop process. Log into Robinhood on your computer. From the main dashboard, open the account menu and select Investing. In that section, look for Margin Investing. Click it to open the margin page, then choose Apply and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll review important disclosures, answer experience and risk questions, and confirm your understanding of how borrowing works and how interest is charged. Submit the application when you're done. In many cases, decisions are quick, but if Robinhood needs more information, they'll let you know. Here's a crucial detail. Margin access is tied to Robinhood Gold, which is a paid plan. With Gold, the first $1,000 of margin is included as part of the subscription, and any borrowing above that amount accrues interest. The interest rate and fees can change, so always check the current details inside the app before you proceed. Interest typically accrues daily and is charged monthly, so borrowing for longer costs more. As you enable margin, slow down and read every disclosure on the screen. Make sure your balance comfortably sits above the $2,000 minimum and understand how your buying power will change once margin is turned on. Track your positions and keep an eye on volatility, because large price swings can affect your equity and bring you closer to a margin call. If everything looks good and you're approved, margin investing will be enabled within your existing account, and you'll see your adjusted buying power reflected on your dashboard.